Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope that you liked the last tutorial where I taught you how to model this thing. So we're going to get to work. All right, so let's go ahead and select our butter knife. Go up to UV. Let's go to UV editor. And I want to get rid of this UV shell. If you've been watching from the last tutorials, this is the exact same process that I'm taking you through. So let's go ahead and take the UV shell, right mouse click and hold, and we're going to delete these. The reason why we're doing that is because we're going to assign a texture to this, and we want our UVs to look pretty great. Let's just simply go here to create an automatic map. If it looks funky, then we'll do something about it. So that looks great. These ones here are probably, they go up there at the top. We should be good. Alrighty, now, right mouse click and hold, object mode. We need to assign a material to this object. So let's hop into our hypershade. Okay. And in your hypershade, all right, press tab and we're going to type AISTAND, AI standard surface. Let's rename this to knife metal. Okay. And then we'll press tab again and type in the word file, and we'll click on file texture. Okay. We're going to click on the knife metal AI standard shader. Press Control A to go into our attribute editor. Change the metalness to a value of like 0.85. I think that's what I had before. And the other one, let's see, 0.865. All right, so 0.865. The IOR for silver is 0.084. 1.084. And then we are going to take the file node and then open and look for our all right, so we go to images, find that texture, and we're going to click on the out color, and then go to R, go to specular roughness, and we will middle mouse drag and drop that onto our butter knife. Let's just minimize that for now. I go over the same lighting setup, so it might be a little bit redundant. So I'll kind of give you guys all of the information in the beginning, so you don't have to skip to the end. So I created 2 area lights. Okay, this particular area light, if you go into your attribute editor, go to the Arnold drop-down, change your exposure to 8.5, final render settings for samples, change it to 3. This area light is at a 45-degree angle, and that has the same samples at 3, and then the exposure is 9.5. This particular background has like a fuchsia color to it. I changed the preset to plastic, and to replace, I changed the color to the color I wanted, which was a fuchsia, and then I changed the roughness to 0.45. And that was pretty much it. My final render settings under Arnold render 4, 3, 4, 2, 2, and 2. And we just sit back, change your camera to be the angle that you want, go to Arnold and render, and voila, get yourself a really nice render. I think this renders in less than 5 minutes. Okay, and it's finished rendering. It rendered in 2 minutes 48 seconds. I'm happy with the way, it has a beautiful vignette. It's very similar to the other 3 images. It's the same exact lighting setup, so that's what I was going for. I hope that you guys like this tutorial. Please press the button for notifications. I'll try to be as updated as I can. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know if there's anything I can help you out with, or if there's any other tutorials in the future that you guys would like to see. Until then, God bless you guys. Have a great day. All right, peace.